Hey guys, it's Will. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making some delicious chocolate fudge brownie. One of my favourites this. If you like a good, gooey chocolate fudge brownie just like me, you will love this recipe.
First, you're going to melt the butter completely and pour it straight into the bowl.
Along with some oil. By the way guys, if you want all the measurements, they're going to be in the description down below, so you can follow along with me at home. With some caster sugar and your soft brown sugar. Get yourself a whisk, just combine it all together. The oil will stop it from setting completely.
Keeping that delicious gooey centre in the brownie.
If you wanted to, you could use dark brown sugar instead of light. And just make it a bit more richer. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Now here, I've got 5 eggs beaten up. I'm just going to add some vanilla extract to it. Now I'm just going to give it a mix, just to evenly distribute the vanilla in there. Now add the eggs in stages, beating it after each addition. We want to add as much air in this as possible. Roughly about 1 egg at a time. Perfect. Now get yourself a sieve and sift in the flour. And now the cocoa powder.
By adding the cocoa powder, it gives the brownie a lot more flavour and richness.
Now carefully just fold it in.
Try your best to not overmix it. You don't want to work the gluten too much. If you prefer to use a spatula, do so.
Oh, guys, look at that. Perfect. Now it's time to add in your filling, whatever you want to add. I'm adding some white chocolate to mine. You can get some crunchies, crush them up, put them in there. Some marshmallows, some dime bars, Reese buttercups goes really well.
Fold it all in there. Mix it all in. Make sure you get it properly incorporated.
Look at that. Look at that, eh? Beautiful.
Now just pour your batter into your prepared tray, preheat your oven to 175 degrees, then evenly spread it out with a rubber spatula.
Look at that, guys, incredible. So you're gonna bake this bad boy for about 25 to 30 minutes and see what happens. Guys, come on. This is what I'm talking about. You see, crisp. It's crispy on the surface. Beautiful. You're gonna let this brownie cool to room temperature, and we're going to place it in the fridge overnight. If you make sure you're nice hot, it really helps you out. Oh. Whoa. Look at that. Look how gooey that is. Incredible. Guys, you have to try this out.
Like always guys, if you want me to make anything on this channel, place it down below in the comments.
Oh, look at that. If you haven't already guys, please give this video a like. And if you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And that's it for today guys. Take care.